BlackRock said the value of the Shiba Inu will be 10 cents after Siberia is out. In an interview a few weeks after BlackRock, the world's largest asset management firm, released an app for a startup, the Bitcoin ETF. During an interview with Fox Business, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink said Bitcoin is a foreign asset. Fink said that instead of investing money in gold to protect against inflation, buyers can buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, which are similar in many ways to Shiba Inus. He said that the function of cryptocurrency is to convert gold into digital form. Fash also said that BlackRock has worked often with authorities in the past on ETF applications, and said he hopes the company's track record will help secure approval for this latest plan. He said that what they were trying to do with cryptocurrency was make it more accessible and cheaper for buyers. Although the BlackRock CEO said he was initially afraid of the cryptocurrency because it was used to pay for illegal activities, he has since changed his mind. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are assets all over the world. He said it is not based on any single currency. For this reason, it can be seen as a feature that people can use instead. Last month, BlackRock was the first company to apply to start a Bitcoin ETF. Soon after, other large companies like Fidelity did the same. Over the past month, the price of Bitcoin and some other cryptocurrencies, such as the Shiba Inu, have increased. Last month, the Bitcoin price reached its highest point in more than a year. Meanwhile, some of the biggest names in standard banking continued to enter the cryptocurrency market. Last month, the coin was worth $31,460. Since then, some of those gains have been lost. This is the highest price of the coin in the last 14 months. It has surpassed the 52-week high it reached before it happened at the end of June, which supports and adds to what Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock, said last month when he said that the digitization of gold is a big reason for that. Great success for cryptocurrency. He said that cryptocurrency is a foreign asset during an interview with Fox Business. It is not built on any single currency, which means it can be an asset that people can play as an alternative. After the second quarter earnings report came out, the CEO of BlackRock, a company that manages $8.50 trillion in assets, took to CNBC. He said that over the past 5 years, more and more gold investors have been asking about the role played by cryptocurrency. He also talked about how ETFs can help make gold more affordable, just as they can do with cryptocurrency. BlackRock, which manages more money than any other company in the world, is now looking into the Bitcoin market. Right now, BlackRock stock is worth $10 trillion. But their investment strategy is hard work as they pick and choose alternative cryptocurrencies to invest in based on how well they fit their overall plan for the future. Larry Fink, the CEO of the company, has spoken a lot about the importance of an open, decentralized, alternative cryptocurrency that could change the way the financial industry operates. In a 2018 interview just found, Fink said the investment firm was looking into blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. But Fink said he has no plans to invest in Bitcoin anytime soon. Now that we are living in the present, things are different. BlackRock was forced to say that it wants to invest in cryptocurrency and plans to do so. Also, the fact that BlackRock and Coinbase are working together suggests that they may be interested in other cryptocurrencies being sold on the popular exchange. People have been talking about Shiba Inu and other digital currencies that meet the conditions of being open, unlicensed, and decentralized. Although people like Hillary Clinton are always skeptical and negative about cryptocurrency and warn of potential risks. The way the financial industry looks at digital assets has changed a lot since BlackRock entered the market. BlackRock's move to invest in the cryptocurrency market caused this change. Their focus on specific alternative cryptocurrencies that meet their needs shows that they are becoming more aware of the power of blockchain technology and open financial systems. BlackRock is still researching and investing in the cryptocurrency market, a reminder to buyers that the market is always changing and they need to keep up. Those who want to make the most of the opportunities should know how important it is to subscribe to reliable sources and keep abreast of what is happening in the currency market every day. Larry Fink, the famous CEO of BlackRock, shocked the company world last week when he made a sudden cryptocurrency flip. he has said that he believes cryptocurrencies will become more important than traditional currencies like the US dollar. Fink's words came after he shocked everyone last week when he said he was going to flip a cryptocurrency. Most importantly, because cryptocurrency is so global, it will not be pegged to a single currency or its value. Fink, who said just a week ago that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies could make a big difference from his previous position that Bitcoin was nothing more than an indicator of money laundering, now says they will revolutionize finance. Da Vinci was featured on CNBC and was one of the first people to invest in Bitcoin. Jeremy asked investors to buy Bitcoins in 2013 and asked the current owners to save the Shiba Inu at the beginning of this year. Jeremy became well known after he posted a video in 2013 telling people to put at least $1 in Bitcoin. A decade later, a Bitcoin backer showed interest in Shib, showing that it could make the holder's life better in the future by opening doors. Bitcoin extremists released a new video on Tuesday. In it, he talks about how the Shibarmy Layer 2 network affects the future of Shibarmy. Jeremy saw promise in Shibarmy and said that if the second layer solution works the way it looks, then Shib could perform well in the indexes. He said this after seeing that Shibarmy had a lot of promise. Amazing. I've heard that the Shiba Inu are working on adding a second layer on top of Ethereum to help the cryptocurrency move away from its image as a main currency. That's neat. He said that would be something that would be interesting to see. Besides Jeremy, a few other investors thought Shibarmy might be the only way to get Shib closer to the trend of 11 units at the start of this year. The Shibarmy team said that every time a transaction takes place on the network, a certain number of Shib tokens will be destroyed. According to information in the block, the number of homes containing Shiba Inu increased significantly in July based on information from a blockchain analytics platform. The total number of graying addresses has grown by 115% each week. Also, the number continues to rise. In the past week alone, it has increased by 22%. Currently, the Shib database contains 3.51 million addresses, of which 1.24 million are zero addresses. Shib broke through the 80-unit resistance level, just as the number of addresses started to rise. Which is another strange thing. For several weeks, this level has been difficult for the asset to break through. On the other hand, the growth came from the acquisition of new users and money. The reason for the recent spike in the number of titles may be that Shibarmy is about to come out. Shiba Inu is one of the most popular coin projects currently known, and the second layer network is one of the most important things that the company has developed in the past 3 years. Many people believe that the price of the token will go up a lot and will stay high for a long time after the announcement of the new blockchain. Another possible explanation is that the Shib metaverse will be released later this month, possibly in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, during the Blockchain Futurist Conference. Marcy Jastrow, who advises Shib on the metaverse and one of the speakers at the conference, confirms that the team will be shown to the world in 2 weeks. Stock CEO